Hey everybody, I am here tonight with Jim with his beautiful 1959 Chevy Corvette. Jim, tell us a little bit about your car.
Okay, this car was 3 years for me to find, mainly because I wanted red with red interior. A lot of the Corvettes came with black interior. Um, I went to a lot of shows, a lot of places around here, the tri-state area. I finally found this one in Wisconsin. I flew out to Madison, went to look at it. He had sent me some pictures of it. And so I went out there, looked at it, drove it, tried to make a deal with it. It comes with soft top and a hard top. Offered him some money, which he didn't accept. Went back to the hotel and he said, well, I'll accept the money but I'm going to keep the hard top. So I said to him, well, next thing I know, you're going to keep the hubcaps too. I said, no, I want the whole car. Make a long story short, that was in November. We negotiated all winter. Finally, I broke it off around January. I said, this guy doesn't want to sell the car. I'm down in Florida in April. I get a Hemmings Auto News, and I see he's got the car in for $1,000 more. And I called him up. I said, listen, you live in Madison, Wisconsin. I said, it's like he's on a 400-acre farm. I said, you think maybe you'll sell it to me at the price we were talking? Anyway, I struck the deal, and this is it. The only thing I actually changed in this was the carpeting needed to be changed. This was a body-on restoration that he did. The guy was a heck of a mechanic. We went out on the highway, and he was driving. He had it up to 100 miles an hour. And I said, listen, that's fast enough. He said, well, I just wanted to show you I'm proud of my restoration. I said, I believe you. So I then got a transport company, Passport Transport, and had it shipped in. The only thing I changed, these are radial tires, which are to look like the old Cord tires. Mm-hmm. And basically everything else is just the way I got it from him. Haven't done a thing to the only thing I did is we repainted the hardtop, which very seldom goes on. It's hanging in my garage actually. But aside from that, that's, and I always carry that dolphin on there. That's a cute little thing. I happened to be at our swim club. And when I came out, a little kid had put the little rubber dolphin on there. And that's been on there for probably 15 or 20 years. So,
and the kid's in college now.
The kid's probably in college.
I love the oversized dice.
Yeah, they won that on the boardwalk in Point Pleasant, New Jersey. They won the dice, and the kids put that on for me.
And then what size engine comes in this?
It's a 283, 230 horse. It's been bored out. It's got a fuel-injected cam with solid lifters, so it gives it a little more punch. Lobes a little bit. That's basically it. One single 4-barrel. Yeah. Original transmission was a 3-speed Saginaw, which he had, but he put a 4-speed Borg Warner in it because it's got synchros and his wife drove it. So I said, listen, I got to get the 3-speed with it. So I have the 3-speed crated at my house, and if anybody ever bought it or want, they could have the original transmission with it. 370 rear, I think it is, or 371 rear. And that's basically it. Rides like a top.
Yeah.
I mean, the thing just drives.
Coming in, you just parted the seas. Everybody was looking at you coming in.
Oh yeah, it rides. I mean, I have a 52 Army Jeep, and that does about 35, 40. But this one, you can 65, 70 like nothing. And,
well, thanks so much for joining us tonight. Really appreciate it. Gorgeous car.
Thank you for having us.
And hopefully we'll see you again real soon.
Thank you.